So let's say you don't really have time to post consistently on your Telegram channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to schedule your post and then the content to post at any time you want. Yeah, so I have my Telegram here. Then I go to my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel. Then you want to post something maybe in the evening, but that time you won't have time to post that content. So write your content and then you long press the send button. Here you have it here, the blue button where you are going to send. You long press on it, then click on schedule message. So you can schedule the message at any time. So I want that message to be scheduled today at 12 o'clock p.m. or I can make it tomorrow, I can make it 1st December, anything you want. So send today at 12 p.m. You click on it. So the message has been sent. So exactly at 12 p.m. this message will be sent to the Telegram channel. So close. You can schedule as many as you want. Yeah, so I'm going to schedule this image too. So I'll write a caption: Black Friday's promo ended. So the send button, I'll long press on it and then click schedule. I'm scheduling it at 11:20 a.m. Yeah, so immediately it is 11:20 a.m. So let me make it 11:30. So send today at 11:30. So immediately at 11:30 a.m. the post will be scheduled. You can schedule so many posts. If you want it to be posted 1st December, 2nd December, 3rd December, so you can schedule as many posts you want. So at 11:30 the message will be scheduled. It will be posted automatically. Yeah, so basically this is how to schedule your post on Telegram.